Good day guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to add a branch in Google My Business. So firstly guys, you go into your business right here and choose which business you wish to add it, and of course add the branch to. So I chose this My Business, just a test one that I've created. And after that you go three dots and add a new business profile. And under business name you choose My Business. And in here do not choose any of these. You can choose the same name and create a business with this name. Like this, and choose a category, for example, cafe, cafeteria. Next, and in here just fill in all the information. Do you wish to add a location? Yes. Do you add a business address? Let's add it. All right, so now you can choose, is this your business? Let's choose this doesn't match. Location next. Then location, then choose the deliveries, for example, yes. You can also add, as you can see, the additional areas where you serve. So for example, let's say we serve at Manchester, UK, and you can add multiple. Next. Add a phone number if you wish. Next. I recommend it, of course. Then after this, in here, we can start our verification. Next. Then you choose hours when you work. For example, like this. Description, absolutely mandatory. Photos, also mandatory. You can claim credit. Skip this, and now continue. So as you can see now, you can start working. So Google is processing your verification, may take up to 5 days. And now your second business and the second branch is created. Enjoy guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.